Oh my god.
You got this, Bree? Powerhouse. Ooh. Wow. Just look at that. What a powerhouse. You got this, Bree. I'm just zoom in. I want to get a close-up shot of your face.
No. It did.
Oh shit! I just put it in. Ah, my fucking finger's in the way. Wow, this is terrible lighting. Woo! She's lifting weights. Go kick that shit. Don't kick me though. I'm gonna. Hi. Flop.